Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Soldier from Squid Games. As I delve into the world of Squid Games, I'm drawn to the enigmatic figures known as the Pink Guards. Also referred to as pink soldiers or masked men, these individuals are responsible for managing, maintaining, and enforcing the rules of the games on behalf of the front man. What's striking about the Pink Guards is their uniform attire, designed to preserve their anonymity. Each guard wears a pink hooded jumpsuit, paired with black gloves, boots, and a permeated mask that conceals their identity. These masks feature one of three symbols, indicating the guard's ranking within the organization. The soldiers, a subset of the Pink Guards, serve as armed enforcers. Their role is to terminate eliminated players and prevent contestants from violating the game's rules. I've observed that soldiers are equipped with Smith & Wesson Model 19s, which they use for singular eliminations, as seen during the Sugar Honeycombs and Marbles games. For larger groups, they employ Heckler & Koch MP5A3s, which are used to maintain order among contestants and eliminate those who fail to comply. As I observe the guards in the Squid Games, I'm struck by their uniform indifference towards the contestants. Their concealed identities, hidden behind masks, and homogeneous uniforms seem to be a deliberate attempt to dehumanize them. I notice that they display no emotional response to the deaths of contestants, their body language remaining stoic and unyielding. Even when contestants try to engage with them, the guards remain silent and unmoving, their faces expressionless. Yet, despite their silence, they seem to respond to certain queries, as if they're programmed to provide specific information. I recall the instance where player 198's attempt at the Flying Stone stage was invalidated, and the guard revealed that he had stepped over the line. What's intriguing is the strict regime that governs the guards' behavior. They're not permitted to leave their rooms without permission, and fraternization is strictly forbidden. Rarely do they interact with each other, and when they do, it's likely under the watchful eye of their superiors. I've seen a sign in number 29's room that reinforces these rules: always wear your mask outside of your room, do not converse without permission, and do not leave your room without permission. While the guards are generally silent, there are specific moments when they are allowed to speak, such as after the special round or when accepting a request during the Marbles game. The division of the guards into different roles may have been inspired by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato's ideas about the ideal society. According to Plato, society should be divided into three groups: workers, soldiers, and philosopher kings. In the context of the Squid Games, the managers could be seen as the equivalent of philosopher kings. One poignant moment in the games reveals the human side of the guards. When a guard is stabbed by No Sang-hun, he can be heard screaming in pain, clutching at his mask. This moment serves as a reminder that beneath their uniform exterior, the guards are still human beings. The soldiers in the Squid Game play a crucial role in maintaining order and enforcing the rules. They take orders from the managers and are often assigned to specific players during games to ensure that eliminated players are terminated and rules are followed. In addition to their role as enforcers, soldiers also act as bodyguards for important personnel like the managers and the front man. They also assist in searching for and capturing individuals like Hwang Jun-ho. Some notable soldiers include Soldier, from the organ trafficking ring, Kang No-yul, Soldier 001, and Soldier 002. The symbols on their masks are not just random designs, they represent the Korean alphabet. The circle, triangle, and square symbols together spell out OJM, which stands for Ojinjeogan, the Korean name for the Squid Game. Interestingly, the Squid Game also features masks for VIPs, which are designed to resemble animals like deer, bulls, lions, and bears. The host, the front man, wears a special attire that sets him apart. The gold masks worn by the VIPs symbolize their wealth and excess, highlighting the stark contrast between their luxurious experience and the brutal reality of the game. To color the soldiers' jumpsuits, I used carmine red as the primary color. For shading the wrinkles, I employed old wine red, and for the second shade, I used a darker red. The shoes, belt, and mask were colored with dark cool gray, while the zipper part and triangle symbol on the face mask were rendered in a lighter cool gray. For those looking to draw a perfect soldier, I'd like to share a valuable tip. Before starting to draw, take the time to measure the full image you plan to create. Then, measure the head, torso, and waist to heel proportions. Mark these measurements on your paper to ensure that your drawing is proportionate. By doing so, you'll avoid common mistakes like a head that's too large or legs that are too short or mismatched with the body. This technique has helped me improve my drawing skills, and I hope it does the same for you. If you are watching the video till now, then thank you so much for your time. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.